What is up, you guys? We are back today with another video, and of course we're going to be working on the G37. Now we're going to be doing a little bit differently. So my dad got this gem at the auction, and it's a 6-speed. It's the S, so it's got the fancy seats and all that good stuff. So what we're going to be doing today is my driver's seat has a little bit of leather coming up, so we're going to be switching the driver's seat, and if you guys remember, I've got a chip like right here in my taillight, so we're going to be taking the taillights and swapping those out, and we might even be doing the rims today. So let's go on ahead and get started. I think there's one more thing I'm going to take. Oh yes, I'm going to take this grill as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint it glossy black, so it'll match with everything. So and then I also might be spray painting this glossy black as well to match the grill. So anyways, let's go on ahead and get right into probably taking that grill out so I can sand it and start painting it so it can be ready to be on the car. What is up, you guys? So I just got my taillights out, and geez, oh Pete, that is one of the biggest pains in the world. It's I was expecting it to be easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now show you guys on this G37. So let me go and disconnect the battery, and then we'll get started. So if you're doing this at home, you're going to want to take off this piece right here. It's just a pull off piece, so just pull it off. Then what you're going to need to do is there's going to be a clip right in there, then there's going to be another one up there. You're just going to pop those out with a screwdriver. Then just going to push the carpet down. There's going to be 3 8mm nuts. There's one here. Move the light so you guys can see. There's one there, one right there, and then there's one in here, and they're all pretty easy to remove. So let's go on ahead and do that. So we just unclipped the pin, or the little power, and now what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to get a really good grasp and just literally pull it out. Now on mine, I got unlucky, and I might be getting unlucky with this one. Give me just 1 second and I'll have it out. So what I had to do is, there are 2 pins. There's one here and there's one here. And I just took a screwdriver and a towel so I didn't scratch the paint. I just popped them out. I had to do that on both of them. I couldn't just do it with my bare hands. So now what we're going to go on ahead and do is, here are the ones from this car. I'm going to go get the ones from my car and then start switching them out. And they're in. That was easier getting them in than it was getting them out. So I'm gonna go on ahead and put mine in, and then we might be going to get the tires switched. So we will see in a few minutes. So we just got the wheels, or not the wheels, we just got the taillight switched, and I am, if it would focus, I'm super happy. Now there's no more chip right here. So that is wonderful. So now my brother got here, and what we're going to go do is we are going to go and switch the rims. So these rims will be on it pretty soon, so I'm curious to see how it'll look. So I am pretty happy about that. So guys, we got the new rims on, and they look so stinking good on this car. So me and Ethan, after we got the rims on, we went and gave it a wash because it has not had a wash yet, and I am super happy. So I love the rims on the car. It looks so good. So now I'm going to put the driver's seat, the new one, in here, and I got the passenger seat back because if you guys remember when I fixed my water leak in the sunroof, there was there's a little bit of like mold looking stuff the passenger side, so we took my seat out and we got that all cleaned up too. So now it's time to put the passenger seat in, take the driver out, put the new driver seat in, and that's all the work done for today. So let's go on ahead and let's get right into that. Now that is going to conclude today's video. I love these rims. They've grown on me so much.